What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your camera lens, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on camera and here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general management. Now scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.